Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful rocket espresso machine, and we replaced the heating element, and the customer also wanted this valve replaced because it was scratched up. And so now you see we have a nice new valve here and a new heating element. So let's go ahead and test the machine. That's really a beautiful shot of espresso. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.